In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your screen time passcode here on an iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout the guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. So if you do have any questions, ask them down there and I can help you out further. But first things first, on your iPhone, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings. And once you are in your settings, scroll down on this page until you see that screen time section and open it up. Once you are in screen time, it's going to immediately pop up with an option to type in your passcode. Go ahead and type it in. And after you do type in that password, if you scroll down a little bit on this page, if you do have those content and privacy restrictions set on, you may need to navigate into that. Or right below that, you'll have an option for lock screen time settings. Go ahead and select that. And once you do select it, you'll have the option to tap a button that says change screen time passcode. Obviously, I don't have this set, so I don't have this on my phone, but essentially you will have to tap change passcode again after doing so, and just type in whatever password you would like. Re-enter it, and boom, as you can see, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you'll need to enter in that Apple ID and password that you used when originally setting up that screen time. From there, you can create that new password and you'll be good to go. As you can see, this is what the setting will look for you. And boom, if I click on it, you'll have that option to change it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But you've now reset your screen time passcode. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.